What are we doing today?
Going to the museum. Look it up. This is called the room juggle. House I had like
Would you like to play guitar someday?
yeah. I'll be like
We are at the Public Museum in Grand Rapids with Iris and Megan. Iris is 4.5, almost 5, and she's having a pretty good time, I think.
Yeah.
She said earlier it was the best day ever. There's a ton of stuff. So you have sort of like the main hallway, and then off of that, there's all these different rooms where you can like go back in time to old-timey Grand Rapids, or you can see all the fossils. There's a fashion exhibit. We built a doghouse.
I'm okay.
I can't even remember what's upstairs, but we'll find out.
Whatever you want.
I think Iris is thinking that it's pretty cool that she gets to decide what we do, because today's kind of about her. And at home, she's got the 2 brothers to contend with. And here she gets to go do whatever she wants. It's all about her today.